If you encounter billing problems on DoorDash, it is important to address them promptly to ensure a smooth experience. Follow these steps to resolve any issues effectively. Step 1. Check your order history. Log into your DoorDash account and navigate to your order history. Review the details of your recent orders to identify any discrepancies in charges or payments. Step 2. Review payment methods. Ensure that your payment methods are up to date. Go to the payment settings in your account and verify that your credit card or payment information is correct and has not expired. Step 3. Contact customer support. If you find any issues, reach out to DoorDash customer support. You can do this through the app or website by selecting the Help section and choosing the appropriate topic related to billing. Step 4. Provide necessary information. When contacting support, be prepared to provide relevant details such as your order number, the specific issue you're facing, and any screenshots that may help clarify the problem. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your issue, keep an eye on your email or app notifications for updates from DoorDash. If you don't receive a response within a reasonable time frame, consider following up to ensure your issue is being addressed. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve any billing problems you may encounter on DoorDash. Remember to keep your information updated and reach out for help when needed.